want to talk about what I did today in little bitty clips of how I um, did rope twists today. Those rope twists, how I did them, they were single flat, and I really liked them. The client, she was really intrigued by them as well, and we used a different type of braiding. This one was a different creature's braid hair. The hair was creature's African Africana braid. This is new by creatures. Get up a little closer. Okay, so yeah, I just had I'm gonna give this hair a 5 star. I do because I like creatures braid hair. It's my favorite hair. The only thing is they should have made this already a pre-stretched, feathered, and cut type of hair. This hair it retails for about $4. I want to say $4.99. I thought that I was gonna have to use all 10 to 12 bundles in this client's hair, but I did not have to do that at all. So I was really, really happy about that. That was a good thing. We ended up using about 6.5 packs of hair. If you watch the video, you will see different parts of me doing different parts of her hair and trying to complete her hair. It was really a easy process. She did get plaits. Her twists were, I got excuse my hair, eyelash or something that's in my eye. She did get the hair twisted to her buttocks, so it was past her butt, as y'all gonna see in this clip. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this hair tutorial. Now, there are a lot of other tutorials out there, y'all. I am not trying to copy anybody else. I know that there's other YouTubers who have been on here before myself that has done tutorials on how to do rope twists or Senegalese twists. I'm just doing this because I have always known how to rope twist and Senegalese twist for a very long time. I just never had a YouTube channel back then, and I just wanted to share this with my subscribers and viewers who are on my channel that have never seen me do a braid video or a tutorial video. So I just want to try to do little different things that I have never done on my channel, because when I first started I was kind of shy and I really didn't know what I wanted to talk about. An eyelash in my eye. So yeah, but this is some really good hair. I mean, you can try it, but the only thing I recommend that if you're going to be doing your client's hair or anybody's hair, that you should have this hair in your possession ahead of time before the install, because it does take time to pre-feather it, and it also slows down your downtime for us trying to braid that hair and get that hair completed and finished. No braider likes to have your client sit in that chair longer than they should be sitting there. We like to get y'all in and get y'all finished. So I just wanted y'all to just watch the video and enjoy the video. I do want you all to leave your comments, and also let me know other videos that you would like me to come out with and do, and see me do different things. I'm trying to change from how I was with just being just myself speaking in my video by myself, and I'm going to still be doing that, but I just also wanted to kind of do something different, things that I do know how to do, and I just want to put it on my channel, and I want y'all to just follow me and like it, and let me know if y'all like it or not. But yeah, so I am not going to hold this video. We're going to get into it so y'all can see how this hair is doing. Y'all behind me, if y'all see that, those are some birthday balloons that I had for one of my children, and they're still floating in the air. And by the way, before I go, this hair that I'm wearing right now, y'all, it is still the advertised wig. Y'all, this is one of my most favorite short looking wigs. one of my favorites. It is favorite short curly style wigs for the summer. If you all stay tuned, I will be back with another video, you all. I have something else I need to do, another hair video about some hair that I got from this hair company. So, hair or me, I'm going to say it, I might be saying it wrong. But you guys, I want y'all to let me know how this hair look. I'm going to try some color for the very first time because I know y'all say, y'all don't ever do videos with color, and I really don't. So I'm going to try it to see how this unit looks on me. So yeah, but this hair is still holding up. Like I said, I really like it. And it is one of my favorite units of the summer. It really is. So, you all, let's get into this video. I've talked and rambled enough. Yes, I have. Let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and go ahead and fast forward to the video, okay? All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And y'all can see in the back of me, I have my model, my client. I'm getting ready to do an install of rope twist, two-strand twist, or Senegalese twist, whichever one that you prefer that you would like to title it. It all is pretty much the same technique. So before I start, just want to show you the products that I'm going to be using to install these rope twists. Blue Magic hair conditioner. This product has been around for a very, very long time, you all. Okay. It also helps conditions the hair. It also keeps you from having cuts on your cuticle while you're braiding the hair into the client's hair. I also am going to be using a little bit of Let's Gem. This is a shiny conditioner. This product also has been around for a very long time as well. So these two products will be used together as the Calculon hair into her hair to make it be an easier process in installing her hair. I'm also going to be using this particular braiding hair twist. Now I know y'all have never seen me do rope twist on my channel before. I've been doing this technique for a very, very long time. The real name for rope twist in my time was called Senegalese twist. And no one really, they just started with these different names calling it rope twist, two-strand twist. But yeah, it's been around a long time. So y'all, this part of the hair right here, you do want to kind of cut a little bit of this off from the bottom because you don't need all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors, this part off. This is just too much hair. And the hair is already 84 inches long. So we don't need that much of it to do what we need. So you just want to take that much right there and cut from the end. Okay, that's how much I cut off. Okay, so now this is what the hair looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I know y'all saying, why I keep saying okay? I'm just explaining you all. I know y'all probably have seen other videos out there that show you how to do rope twist. Okay, so you want to cut this part off from the hair where the rubber band is tied into the hair. I usually leave the rubber band on because I don't want to lose hair. I am going to be installing between 10 to 12 packs of hair in her head. So what you want to do is you want to take the hair, what you're about to use, and you need to make it be at least about this thick. She's getting medium-sized twist, so the hair has to be medium-sized. And what you do is you take the hair and pull it. Yeah, this is the old way how I used to pull my hair to install the braids. Other people do differently, and I'm just going to show you how it comes to the end. You just want to stretch it just a little bit. Now there is other hair out there that is already pre-feathered and stretched that you can buy as well. So now I'm going to take it and pull it apart like this. And now I'm going to put it on together. And you can see how it's already stretched. just like that. And what you want to do is you want to twist, and twist, and twist. Then you take the other side and do the same thing. And you just take it and you twist, and you twist, and you twist, and to the other strand because it's not enough to keep the braid fit. But yeah, so I just want y'all to just see where I was at with this hair, and but almost when she stands up. And I'm going to continue on braiding. Roll, pinch. You see it's securely onto her hair, and then just take it, cross over, pinch, cross over, twist. Just like that. To hold the shine. And now I'm going to and back onto the hair to hold it in place. And you want to do this because this kind of holds the hair in place. Like how it's looking on it here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this done, and we're going to wrap this up. hydrated. It's very important.